One of the challenges that I had when I created my online course business was to try and build a community around all my students. So I tried different plugins, and to be honest, there wasn't really an elegant way of putting all this together. So today I'm going to be talking to you about how I did it and how you can apply this to your own website. But before we get started, I'd like to remind you that I have my free mini course called the Course Creation Bootcamp. It's absolutely free. All you have to do is to sign up. I'll go through everything that you need in order for you to get up and running with an online course website business. All right. So as I was saying, when you want to create a really solid online course business, you're going to need some way of having your community to interact together and share ideas, or even ask you questions where you can respond. So the tool that I came across is very, very, very powerful. And let me show you how it works. So over here, I am on my website, and this is actually my profile. So this is what a student will see if they log in onto their profile. So here I can change my image. So you can see it says change photo. I can also change this main hero image here as well. And then over here, I can also see how many groups I'm a part of. And this is also very powerful because you can be a part of several groups. So here I can see I am in this public community, which is good. And it tells me here that I'm a member. Now, over here, we also have other tools like a timeline, which pretty much shows you what is happening on your site. And all this can be set up using BuddyBoss. Now, let's take a quick look and see what BuddyBoss has to offer. So here you can sell memberships, courses, and build online communities. In fact, this is the plugin that I am using on my site. And if you're interested in this, I have a 10% discount. Link to that video description below. And it also comes with a course. So if you want to learn how to use this extensively, I will also give you access to my course. All right, so back over here now, this is our timeline. So you can see this is what is happening on the website itself. So if you're a student and you want to know what is going on, you can just come over here. This pretty much works kind of like a Facebook. You can go in, you can add your likes, you can add a comment here. If there's any abuse, of course, you can report them here and I will deal with them, if you know what I mean. All right, so here is where the groups are. So think about the groups as kind of like Facebook groups, right? So these are like little communities that you can create within your online course website. So let's say you have different types of students on your site, and you have maybe advanced students. They can be in their own group. If you also have another group for beginners, they can be in their own group, because sometimes putting all these people together can be a bit tricky because they're all on different levels. So this is where you can create them, and let's take a look. So over here, this is our main group here, and it tells me I'm a member. And all these are all the members in the group. So as you can see, there's quite a lot of members here. So what I would do here is I can go to my feed and pretty much see what is happening in our group. And this is specific to the group that you are in. Okay, so as you can see here, any plans for creating a course for automation with Uncanny Automator, so I can respond to this. I can also like it. I can do all sorts of stuff. As I mentioned, this is pretty much just like a Facebook. Okay, so moving on, we also have something which I think is very powerful, and it's the forum. So as you can see, all these tools that I'm talking about, they are very, very powerful in bringing and growing your community together. So here again, we can create different forums. We have an online business and entrepreneurship group. Sorry, I keep saying group. This time it's a forum, okay? This is a forum, and you can see the activity here was 18 hours ago. And then over here for web design, week and a day ago. So this is where your students can post all your web design related topics. And then this one here is for online business and entrepreneurship. So as you can see, these tools are very, very powerful in creating your online course website and really set it up as a business. So I highly recommend that you set it up using BuddyBoss, because as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, I looked everywhere, for a really nice, elegant tool that could do all these things. And to the best of my ability, there's nothing that really can do a good job better than BuddyBoss. But if you do have any tools that you've come across, please let me know in the video description below. All right, guys, that's all I have for you in today's video. Thank you very much for watching. And yeah, see you in the next video. Take care. Oh, don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell notification. Okay. So I'm producing quite a lot of videos to help you set up your online course business. So make sure you sign up. All right, guys. See you soon.